In regional news, a teenager in Olympia, Washington, who went missing under suspicious circumstances earlier this week has now been arrested in a murder investigation. Our sister station in Seattle, King 5 News, has that story.
Two 16-year-olds are being held as suspects for second-degree murder, first-degree burglary, and unlawful possession of a firearm after Pierce County deputies discovered a 51-year-old man dead at his home in Ording. They believe he'd been there for several days.
They did find that he had a gunshot wound, but did not find a firearm. So immediately that looks suspicious.
Deputies found the man Thursday morning during a welfare check in Ording after the man's employer called and said he hadn't been seen in days. This comes after a major search effort for Gabriel Davies that began Wednesday night. People concerned about his well-being after his vehicle was found near Tenino, parked with some blood and items inside, his cell phone crushed nearby. Authorities say he was found safe Thursday evening. Now, Pierce County authorities are working to determine what happened.
Our detectives did a lot of work finding evidence at the scene, as well as talking to other people and just developing good probable cause to try to figure out the connection between the suspects and the victim.
They identified one of the suspects as Davies. Typically, King 5 does not name juveniles who are arrested, but are confirming this due to recent coverage of this week's community search and considering the gravity of the allegations. Neither of the teens arrested have yet been charged. PCSD says because of a recently passed law, they haven't yet been able to interview the teens.
Trying to figure out why these kids did this. You know, we don't get to sit them down and talk to them. The law makes it so that juveniles have to have an attorney present or counsel with an attorney before we're allowed to do any interviews.
Because of that, they say, they cannot yet publicly confirm a motive in the case.